Everybody, finals about to go down. I'm super excited, and see you at the bottom.
Yeah, sweet redemption was at the bottom of that half pipe. Snowboarder Shaun White crying tears of joy after scoring his gold Wednesday morning at the Pyeongchang Winter Games. The 31-year-old made history, becoming the only three-time gold medalist snowboarder, proving to everyone that he still got it, especially after his disappointing showing at the 2014 Sochi Games. The gold medalist took fans on the ride with him, documenting behind-the-scenes looks at the top of the pipe. White kicked off his first run with an impressive 94.25 score, but his second run tripped him up a little, allowing Japan's Ayumu Hirano to pass him. Now, thankfully, White didn't let that moment get the best of him. Here's what he said.
All right, so second run kind of got away from me, but I get one more take at it. So I'm going to try to put it down and get this over.
Of course, the gold medalist brought his best for the third run, claiming back the top spot with a score of 97.75. What an exciting run. I got a little nervous there as the whole thing was happening, got to be honest. But if you wonder what a gold medalist does after making history, well, he eats some cake and eggs, of course. Yep, his girlfriend Sarah Barthel posted this snap on Instagram after the big win of White enjoying his friend's birthday treats and a little protein.